Some sofas promise comfort, others whisper it politely. The Korser 89-inch cloud couch shows up and delivers it without making a speech. This is the kind of couch that understands modern life. Long days, tired backs, movie nights that turn into naps, and living rooms that need to feel calm instead of crowded. The first thing that stands out is the seat depth. Most couches claim to be deep and stop around 21 inches, which is fine for sitting upright, but disappointing for real lounging. Korser extends that to a generous 24 inches, and the difference is immediate. Legs stretch out naturally. Backs relax instead of hovering. Taller adults finally get a seat that doesn't feel like a polite chair pretending to be a sofa. Sprawling, curling up, lying sideways, it all feels intentional rather than improvised. The cushions strike a careful balance. They are medium firm, not the sink into the floor kind that look cozy for a month and then collapse into regret. High resilience foam gives steady support while still molding gently to the body. The result is comfort that lasts through long evenings without losing shape. It's supportive enough for daily use, forgiving enough for lazy Sundays, and stable enough that the cushions stay in place even with kids climbing around. Wrapped around all of this is chenille fabric done right. Soft to the touch but not delicate, it has a subtle texture that feels warm and looks refined under natural light or evening lamps. The material resists pilling and wrinkles, which matters more than people admit. This is a couch meant to be lived on, not tiptoed around. Spills wipe down easily, and removable machine washable covers quietly take away one of the biggest stresses of owning a light-colored sofa. The neutral gray tone blends easily with modern, minimalist, or cozy interiors and won't fight future decor changes. At 89 inches wide, the Korser sits comfortably in that rare middle ground. Big enough to anchor a living room and host friends, but not so massive that it overwhelms apartments or smaller spaces. It works as a main seating piece, a reading nook by a window, or even a relaxed office lounge. The height feels just right, easy for kids to climb onto, comfortable for adults to stand up from, and never awkwardly low. Thoughtful details give this couch quiet personality. 2 matching plush pillows add flexibility without clutter. Side storage pockets keep remotes, tablets, or books within reach, which is one of those features that seems small until it becomes essential. Everything feels designed for daily convenience rather than showroom perfection. Assembly is the only place where patience may be tested. Some setups come together quickly, others take more time depending on experience and pace. The instructions are clear and a video guide helps smooth things out, but it's worth setting aside a calm afternoon rather than rushing it. Once assembled, the frame feels solid and stable. After unpacking, the cushions need 48 to 72 hours to fully expand, which is normal for compressed foam. A little fluffing helps them reach their intended shape. Once settled in, the Korser Cloud Couch quietly becomes the center of the room. It's where conversations linger, where naps happen accidentally, where the space finally feels finished. There's no flashiness here, just comfort done thoughtfully, design done honestly, and materials chosen for real life. For anyone who values deep seating, durable fabric, and a sofa that looks as good as it feels, this one earns its place without trying too hard.